Alright guys, don't laugh at me because today is day 5 of building the pantry, and today's mission is sand the pantry so that we can paint, because I expect there will be a lot of dust. So I'm fully prepared and let's start. You know what? I don't know if you guys have seen Cobra Kai. There's a movement. Wax on, wax off. I feel like I'm doing this. So the goal is to sand a little bit so the texture isn't that obvious, and this sanding machine is actually pretty strong. It came out quite smooth. But yeah, I'm gonna do whole wall outside and then inside as well. Okay, we sanded the pantry inside out, and the dust is horrendous, and I'm okay with all my equipment, but look at my husband's. Look. Look at his eyelashes and eyebrows. It's literally like you're in Alaska. Alright, here is the outside. It's a lot smoother than before, and so we're gonna paint over it. Okay, I don't know why we didn't do this before. On the floor it was like covered with snow. So we decided to use this protection and continue the job. And we're also taping the edges. You know, that's painting 101. All right, let's start the painting. Alright guys, we finally finished painting the pantry. Oh my god, it's so much work. Look at my face. This is from my mask and everything. It's been on for a long time. But yeah, I'll show you. It's looking pretty good. Alright, this is the outside painting. Look how messy this is. And then the side is done too. And then inside, we don't have a light yet, and this is something we're gonna do too later. But the walls are painted. We don't really care about the ceiling at this point, so we're just happy with the walls. And the door we're gonna paint another day because it's just so much work. We're both so tired. Yeah, so the only thing left to do is to paint the door, and we're finished.